Hey guys, it's Jaden, the girl with glasses, and I'm not wearing my glasses for a while in the videos, cause one, I just don't like wearing glasses, and two, they're crooked. But I'm gonna be doing part 2 of the tour of my house, and I'm in a different area, and the reason I had to end part 1 is because there was some kids screaming. I caught that out of the video already. It should be posting sometime soon. And yeah. So I'm showing you the rest of my house that I didn't get to show you. Now it's kind of creepy back here because there used to be like this one girl I used to hang out with. It's fine though, nothing's gonna happen. There's the backyard where we ended the video off in. But here's the rest of my yard. From this gate on is my yard. And they somehow say this is theirs. Yeet. But if you guys are watching it, Hannah, I miss you. Brandon, I miss you. I miss you guys. But, who cares? But yeah, this is also some of my land from my house. And dodge it! I'm gonna see me throw a snowball. I nearly made it. So we're gonna show you guys somewhere outside. So I can't just post a minute. That's only 1 minute and like 36 seconds long. So I'm gonna post it at like, I don't know, whenever it gets like 10, 5, 8 minutes. I don't know. I just really wanted to make a part 2 to this because, yeah, see, look at me walking. Then it falls and breaks camera. Just joking. Ooh, is this satisfying? Oh, dang it, it's not slush. Well, that is so pretty. Do you see it? Like a little pond. I don't know if you guys see that, like right there. The drips falling into that beautifulness. Yeah. Wait, maybe I need to like, yeah, there we go. Okay. We're currently just walking because I'm going to show you guys some cool stuff about where I live. Hey look, someone's flicking on drugs. It's actually kind of cool lighter though. Never pick up things like this. Oh, bullets. Well, gun. Not a real one. It's a fake one. The snow just fell out into my sleeve. Ah! My neighbor's house. They moved though. I miss them. Disgustingness. So yeah. JK. This is my friend Michaela's house. There's some snacks on the ground there. Who really cares? There's their porch. I just stepped in a huge puddle because I wasn't paying attention where I was going. You should always pay attention when you're going. I actually shoveled from here to here when it was like 20 inch. That one time, I don't know if you guys were outside those days, but there was like so much snow that like school was called off for a whole day. I don't know, my school never gets called off, like barely ever. Like I think it was only like 2 times this year. But yeah, there's some cars moving by. That's my old school. There's my bully's house. Well, actually, no, she doesn't even deserve the name bully. She's just a freaking bitch in caps. So, like, in capital letters. But yeah, there's a bunch of stuff about my house, too. I'm going to show you guys the tree me and my sister and stuff used to climb. Crossing the street. It's beautiful outside today. Very, very beautiful. If you go watch the first video, then you would understand some of the stuff. You also get to see inside my house on the first video. I mean, I didn't show my mom's it, like probably like a little flash of it, but that's about it. This is so pretty. Wait, look. If you have OCD or like something with holes, don't look at this. It doesn't actually hurt my hand. Don't ask why. It doesn't actually hurt my hand whenever I do that. It doesn't hurt at all. I love the snow and stuff. That was absolutely perfect. But yeah. So let's go. I'm gonna stop the video because someone's walking by. Okay, I'm back. And I just found something satisfying. I'm back in front of my house because, like, yeah, why not? But I just found something really satisfying. Look. Oh, why isn't it? Oh, it might work over here. See, look. I'm not showing it. It's so satisfying. There's like a little. See, look. Yeah. They just didn't come. That was my neighbor asking me a question. Yeah, I can't cut that out of the video because I can't cut out that long period of time. The yelling, like, I stopped the video for the yelling, like, 3 seconds after it happened. It's just a little bit that was, like, going. The video should be posted, like, at least 10 minutes or 20 minutes before this video. I don't know because this video is only going to take me, like, 10 minutes. But I'm just going to show you guys a little more satisfaction, and then I'm going to leave you guys. I'm a fucking chunky ass bitch, and I can't break it. I'm freaking chunky as. No, I said I'm chunky as. Which? So I'm chunky as, like, heck. Like, I'm, like, really fat. But, who cares about that? Me, obviously, but who cares about that now? While I'm recording. If this video ends on a short note without an ending video thing, that's because there's more screaming, maybe. I don't know. I haven't get back in the future just yet. But it might happen. You never know. This is so pretty. Just look. I'm gonna get you guys up close, but I'm gonna, like, hold the camera firmly. Ew, that's disgusting. But it's, like, so pretty. And I'm gonna go sanitize my hands after this video. Oh shoot, I almost just fell too. It's disgusting, but it's, like, nice to touch. So yeah, I think I'm gonna end the video off here. Make sure you like and subscribe, and press the post notifications to be notified whenever I post. And comment down below why I stopped the other video. And if you do, I will talk to you. So yeah, I will, like, chat with you about it. And thank you for watching. And yeah, have a nice day. Bye bye. So guys, I have to record still because my grandma is, like, making me clean my room. And as you know from my other video, it's really messy, but I'm not cleaning it. So I'm just gonna end this off on a short note. Bye guys, love you. Make sure to like and subscribe, and see you next time. Goodbye.